In this video, I'll show you how to transform simple text into something way more eye-catching. Let's dive in. First, we need to install a free app. Go to Apps and search for Text Art Maker. And click on it to install it automatically. This app lets you convert any image into text. First, type in your text here. Then, you have the option to upload an image file from your device to use inside the text. Or, if you already have an image on your Canva canvas, you can select that too. Let's add an image from Elements to our canvas. For this example, I'll use this image. I'll just drag it off to the side. Now, let's go back to Text Art Maker. You'll see the option to use selected image. Click on that, and it will fill your text with the image you selected. You have some customization options here. For example, you can adjust the density or change the minimum and maximum size of the image inside the text. I want a bolder look, so I'll increase the minimum size to make the image stand out more. Once you're happy with the look, just add it to your design. And that's it. See how easy it is to create unique text styles. With a little creativity, you can create tons of unique text designs like this. I'll include the link to the Text Art Maker app in the video description, so be sure to check it out.